When you hear espresso, you might imagine a barista at a shiny machine pulling shots crowned with rich crema. And you'd be right. Traditional espresso is made with a machine that forces hot water through finely ground coffee at high pressure. But what if you crave that intense, concentrated coffee experience at home without the professional barista setup? There's good news. Here are 2 brewing methods that may help satisfy the craving. The mocha pot, often called a stovetop espresso maker, brews strong, concentrated coffee over a stovetop. It's a fantastic alternative to a traditional espresso. The French press can create a very strong, concentrated brew. It's typically considered a last resort espresso for those without other options. To learn more, read our blog post on Pocillo.co.